An Arizona Marital Settlement Agreement is a contract used to outline divorce terms such as alimony and child support in writing in order to formally file for a divorce or dissolution of marriage in court. In this video, we'll discuss crucial information regarding Arizona Marital Settlement Agreements, some legal requirements, and where to get an official template. Let's begin by looking at the importance of an Arizona Marital Settlement Agreement. The Marital Settlement Agreement outlines the basic terms of the divorce agreement, such as which spouse gets certain property that's jointly owned. The agreement is essential when dividing up assets, alimony, and other support before filing it with the court. In many cases, a mutually agreed upon settlement can be presented to a judge for approval without a formal trial. Besides a marital settlement agreement's practical function, it's also important since it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal trial in superior court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, is often required by the court when filing for a divorce or dissolution of marriage, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the mutual interest of each spouse and their legal counsel to reach an agreement by using this document, provided all parties see eye to eye on the terms. That way the divorce can be quicker and more affordable, as opposed to undergoing a formal trial. Now, let's briefly overview some of the legal requirements in Arizona. Arizona is one of the 9 states that have enacted community property laws. Community property laws state that all assets and money acquired by any of the spouses since the start of the marriage to the end is the property of the marriage, meaning each spouse automatically owns 50% interest in all of the assets, money, and debt that was acquired during the marriage. Community property is generally divided equally after a divorce, but it varies case to case. The dispersion will be applied by a judge in most cases if both spouses cannot mutually come to terms on a marital settlement. Finally, keep in mind that marital settlement agreements are used in Arizona mainly for uncontested divorces and dissolution of marriages. A dissolution of marriage involves both spouses filing a joint petition requesting a termination of marriage, whereas an uncontested divorce typically involves one spouse filing for divorce. Both options are ways to move through a divorce without the time and expense of a contested divorce. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. To obtain an official Arizona Marital Settlement Agreement template that can be used to file for divorce in Superior Court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.